Unlocking the meaning of lockout, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, lockout. This phrase is widely used in both everyday conversation and professional contexts, so understanding its nuances can be incredibly beneficial for English language learners. Let's dive into the world of this intriguing phrase and unlock its meanings together. Lockout is a phrasal verb composed of two words, lock and out. In its most basic form, it refers to preventing someone or something from entering a place by locking the door or entrance. This can be literal, like locking a door, or metaphorical, like being excluded from an opportunity. Understanding this core meaning is essential in grasping the different contexts in which lockout can be used. When used in a literal sense, lockout often refers to a situation where someone cannot enter a place because it has been locked. For instance, I was locked out of my house last night because I forgot my keys. In this context, it's clear that the person was physically prevented from entering their house due to a locked door. In a metaphorical sense, lockout can be used to describe a situation where someone is excluded from participating in an activity or opportunity. For example, many talented individuals feel locked out of the job market due to lack of experience. Here, the phrase describes the exclusion from a chance or opportunity, not physically, but due to certain circumstances or criteria. In the realm of technology, lockout takes on a specific meaning related to security and access control. For example, a user might be locked out of their computer or an online account if they enter the wrong password too many times. This usage is becoming increasingly common in our digital world. I've been locked out of my account after too many failed login attempts. It's also useful to understand how lockout can casually be used in everyday speech. In conversational English, it's often used to express the frustration or inconvenience of being excluded or denied access. I can't believe I was locked out of the meeting. I was only 5 minutes late. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, lockout, in English. Remember, understanding phrases like this can greatly enhance your fluency and comprehension of the language. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to explore more phrases and idioms in English. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.